Communication is key. Effective communication forms the foundation of a healthy love relationship. Honest and open communication fosters understanding, trust, and emotional intimacy between partners. It is essential to express feelings, needs, and concerns while actively listening to your partner. Individual growth matters. While being in a committed relationship, it's crucial to recognize the importance of personal growth. Both partners should have the space to pursue their interests, goals, and aspirations. Encouraging each other's individual development strengthens the relationship, as each person brings unique qualities to the partnership. Trust builds. Over time, trust is not instantly granted. It is earned through consistent actions and behaviors. It takes time to develop a sense of security and reliance on your partner. Building trust involves being reliable, keeping promises, and being transparent about your thoughts and feelings. Compromise is essential. No two individuals are exactly alike, and conflicts are inevitable. The key is finding a middle ground through compromise. Both partners need to be willing to make concessions, understanding that a successful relationship requires give and take from both sides. Respect is non-negotiable. Respect forms the basis of a healthy relationship. Treating your partner with kindness, understanding, and consideration is essential. This includes respecting each other's boundaries, opinions, and autonomy. Love is a verb, not just a feeling. Love is not just a fleeting emotion. It's an ongoing commitment and a series of actions. It involves showing affection, support, and care through everyday gestures. Love is demonstrated through deeds, whether big or small, that contribute to the well-being of the relationship. Embracing imperfections. No one is perfect, and accepting each other's flaws is a crucial aspect of a lasting relationship. Embracing imperfections and working together to grow from challenges strengthens the bond between partners. Quality over quantity. The quality of time spent together is more important than the quantity. Meaningful interactions, shared experiences, and genuine connection contribute more to a relationship than mere time spent in each other's company. Laughter is medicine. A sense of humor can be a powerful tool in navigating the ups and downs of a relationship. Being able to laugh together fosters a positive atmosphere, reduces stress, and creates lasting memories. Cultivating joy and finding humor in everyday situations can strengthen the emotional connection between partners. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.